Let me create this kind of sheet metal object with the help of NX software. Go with the new document, select the sheet metal, apply the name. Our new document is ready. Create the new sketch on front plane. Continue our sketch with the rectangle command. Center rectangle. (200 by 200). Now create one line with 35 value. Trim the unwanted entity. Now we can't able to convert this open contour into the sheet metal option. So for that, go with the contour flange. Okay, width should be 150. Okay. Now hide this sketch and datum coordinate. Okay. Now create the flange option and first of all reset all the data. Start flange with the center, width 40 and length 50. Select the upper edge and upper edge. Show the preview and OK. Now create the tab. So for the tab, go with the sketch, select the top face and OK. Now convert the projected curve and projected curve. Convert to the reference geometry. Okay. Now create one rectangle, corner rectangle, width 50 and length by means height 40. 50 by 40. Again 50 by 40. Enter. Okay. Apply one vertical dimension from this point to this point and value should be 55 for the exact center. Now collinear these two lines and apply. Okay. Use the tab option. Now hide this sketch. I need to change my contour flange or contour flange sketch from 35 to 50. Model will be updated automatically. Now go with the fillet or break corner option. Select the all edges within the one command. Now I need to use the hole command for the circular hole. Search the hole command. Okay, diameter of hole should be 20. Show the preview. Undo the result. Select these two. Now create another hole on this face. So go with the hole command again. Target this face. Edit the dimension 75 by 50 and hole diameter is 50. Our 3D object for the sheet metal is ready.